అడ్మిన్ పిలుస్తారా? సారీ సార్, దీనికి ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టలేదు సార్ యాక్చువల్గా. ఒకసారి పిలవండి ప్రవీణ్ గారిని ఎవరినన్నా. పాయింటర్ ఎక్కడుంది? ఓకే, థ్యాంక్స్. యా. ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్, జస్ట్ 1 minute. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay, good. We are good to go. Let me prepare running notes for today. Today the major topic is pickling and unpickling, sir. What is the topic name? Pickling and unpickling. And saving the model. We are going to save the model. It is 14. So you proved that, even holy time also will come for session, I guess, actually, right? Then fine. You never stop attending the session. Good. 14. And yeah, Daniel, multiple linear regression we done yesterday. Now first let me explain about yesterday. I have given little theory. What is a pickle and unpickle actually? Pickling and unpickling. And the next topic will be saving the model. Quite interesting, sir. Saving the model. Good evening, sir. In online team, somebody wishing. Very good evening, sir. Our value I will cover. Let's keep hold actually. Now this one is a running topic now. Fine. Daniel, what is the topic name? The topic name is called as a pickling and unpickling. What is the topic name? Pickling and what exactly? Unpickling. Daniel, can you tell me why we are learning this topic? Why this topic? Why this topic, By using this topic, we can save the model into a file. Into what exactly? A file. Then later we can use, we can load the file, can do the prediction and do the prediction. Practical we will see today itself. So don't worry. Daniel, why this topic? Why this topic, I'm sure you already creating the model. You already giving the training to the model. What we can do is once after the model trained actually, you can take that model object information. You can save that model object information into a file. By using this file, you can do the prediction. In real time, we are doing like this actually. Are you clear? Right. So fine. First of all, I need to be very clear what is a pickling and unpickling. Then I can move on. Yesterday, I have given a nice example. That example will be whoever all attended yesterday's session. Imagine if somebody is asking some source code. My brother is in Bangalore and he called me and he is asking, do one thing, create a one Python program. And inside that Python program, create a class. That class name should be, think like a credit card details. What details? Inside credit card details, and keep all your instance variable like a credit card pin code, how much balance should we have, what is the minimum balance, how much I need to withdraw, a kind of some sensitive information. My brother asked this class. Successfully I have created that class. Then the general motto will be, the general motto, we can open Gmail, and we can send the code actually. Wrong practice. Sensitive information we should not share over the network actually. Daniel, why? There are some hackers. They can always, look at the over network what is going, what kind of packet of the data it is traveling. They can look at actually. Then what we need to do? Instead of sending the program, inside a program, the main component is nothing but an object, sir. Inside of program, the main component is nothing but what exactly? Object actually. First, let me give you the definition. What do you mean by pickling, Did you remember? Yo, then let me tell you. Writing object information into a file, into a what exactly? File is called as a pickling. The next one, reading object information from a file. This one is called as a pickling. This one is called as what exactly? Unpickling. Hey, Daniel, what do you mean by this? So did you remember? So the point will be model equals to linear regression. Model equals to what exactly? Did you remember this step actually? I have one small question. What is the object name here? Model. Now what we are doing is, okay, we are going to creating a file. This is quite interesting. Let me show you practically. We are going to creating a file. Inside this file, we are dumping this object information inside this file actually. That is called as a writing object information into a file. I hope you are getting clarity. Can I get a response from you? Then let me show you practically, you will get an idea. Let me show you one small diagram. Now here is the story. Think like there is a program we have written, demo1.py. Inside this demo1.py, I have created a class name is a student or else employee. You can think like employee actually. Inside this employee, I hope you know the respective code I have written, blah, 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 I have written actually. After this, the main important step is object creation. What is the main important step, sir? Object creation. Then emp.display method you can call. Then you can make a note display method also I have created. This is the whole code actually. Out of all this discussion, the important component is object creation. What is important, sir? Now what exactly I'm planning, So let me create one small file. Okay, Daniel, that file name will be, I can give something like, prasad.pkl. I can give any name actually, pkl. Even if you're not giving extension also, that is fine. Otherwise, you can give ser, here you can give dat, anything actually, but pkl. Why pkl? Pickle file. Now take this object. Okay, this object information we are going to writing in what exactly, sir? File. Think like this one is the file. This is called as a pickling. Writing object information into a file. Write object info into a file. Into what exactly, sir? File. That is called as a pickling. That is called as a. Are you clear about this? Next one. Imagine, I mean to say, the total object information, it will be stored in something like a binary format, sir. What format actually? Hey Daniel, can I open that file? You cannot understand even if you open actually. Now once I send this file, now what my brother supposed to do? My brother supposed to read. What my brother supposed to do? Read object information from a file. Talk with me, sir. Object information, what exactly? From a file. Now here is the story. Read object info from a file. What exactly, sir? Info from a file. It is called as a unpickling. It is called as what exactly? Unpickling. I can say this one is pickle. This one is unpickle. Go to our grandmothers. During mango season, what they will do? They can chop the all mangoes and they can prepare. They can keep in jar. Here also we are doing same thing. We are taking, think like these are all mango. We have chopped everything actually. Now we are storing how the mango pieces storing into the jar. Here object information we are storing into the file. Then what they will do after they are preparing the mango pickle, they have used exactly right words. These prepared USA guys actually, pickle is famous for India. They use the right words actually. Yeah, exactly. Right. Now, after 1 or 2 months, that mango will get a really nice taste actually. Now it's the right time. You can take that one and you can reuse actually. Now indirectly I am sending the pickle to my brother. Now it's the right time. My brother is supposed to enjoy that pickle actually. I hope you are getting me. Now you got a more clarity, right? Now let me just try to take this example. One small example, it will be helpful for you for your better understanding. Okay. Now practical we are doing, sir. Now practical we are doing. Pickle, unpickle. Good. Hey Daniel, in how to do pickle and unpickle? How to do pickle and unpickle? Pickle and what exactly? Unpickle. It's a very simple man. Simple. The beauty will be in Python by using a predefined module. By using predefined module, predefined predefined module in Python. There is a one module. That module name is called as a pickle. Is a module. Pickle is what exactly, sir? The module name is called as a pickle. The module name is called as pickle. Called as what exactly? Pickle. Then import that module. Import that module. Now here is a story. Pickling will be done by using one function. That function name is called as a dump function. What function, sir? Dump function. Pickling will be done. You just need to call a function. It will dump actually. It will write all object information into a file. Unpickling will be done. Unpickling will be done. Will be done by using a function again. By using a one function again. Here that function name is called as a load function. What function? That's what you need to be understand. Okay, we are good to go, I guess. We'll do one thing. Daniel, pickling and unpickling or Python topics or what topic actually Python topic. So let's learn. We'll do one thing. First we'll learn pure Python example. Later we'll apply on machine learning. On what exactly? I hope I'm very clear, I guess. Are you with me? Now, Daniel, how we are going to learn actually? How the learning is going actually? The learning will be first of all pickling and unpickling or belongs to Python topics. What topic, man? Python topics have. Basic. I'm sorry. Unpickling. Python topics. Though these two are Python topics, first I will show you one small pure Python example. Pure. Then later, once if you really understand this, then we can apply on machine learning. Are you ready? Let's start. Good pickling. Okay, this one is valid question. Let me answer. Sir, tomorrow evening 4 p.m. I'm planning to conduct. I hope you already know. Did you remember? Planning to conduct kind of some exam on what exactly? Pandas. This is especially practical exam. I hope you already informed actually. Am I right? Did you informed actually? Yeah. Practical Pandas exam. Try to utilize the opportunity. Then no regular session. No regular session actually. There is no regular session. It will be online and offline mode. So thank you. Let's move on actually. Okay. Yeah. Where are we? We are good to go. Good to go, man. Pickling. I am going to apply. The process of based on requirement, we can write total state of object information into a file. So I hope I already told object actually. Before that object, add one word. That word is a state of object. What is that? State of object. The process of writing state of object information into a file is called as a pickling. And we can implement pickling and unpickling by using pickle module. By using what module? Chappan sir? Pickle module. We can do pickling by using dump function. Sir, the beauty with Python, you no need to write your own code actually. There is one function. You just need to call that function and we can do pickling automatically. What is the function name? Talk with me. Dump. What do you mean by dump actually? There is a data we have to keep inside in some box actually. That is called as a dumping. Do you know about the dump yard actually? Dump yard ante telusu kada, kind of some waste things actually. What they will do? All dust collectors, what they will do? They can collect and they can dump in that ad actually. Here also we are doing same thing. Object information we are just trying to storing into the file. We are just trying to storing into file. That is called as a dump function. Can we close? Is it okay? Thank you. Fine then. The next topic is called as unpickling. The process of reading state of object information from a file is called as a unpickling. We can do unpickling by using a function. Function name is called as a load. That's it. Very good. By this time you should know function. These are all discussion I guess actually. Kada? Fine sir. We are good to go. So straight to the point. You can ignore this line and you can just have to focus on creating a class, constructor, 3 instance variable creation actually. And there is one method. Inside that method instance variable we are using well-known example. Let me implement very quickly. Let's try to implement very quickly. Yeah, yes sir. We are doing practically. Notepad did I cover? Notepad++. Can I use Notepad++? No, till yesterday I have used the same I guess. Cool. Class employee. The next one. DAF underscore INIT underscore self comma name comma number comma address. All right, then you can just have to come here. I need your help actually. Self dot name equals to name. The next one. Self dot number equals to number. The next one. Self dot address equals to address. We are good to go. Now DEF display self. You can just have to use what you can use, employee name is kada చెప్పండి sir. Self dot name. I'm very good in copy paste sir. Yeah, employee number is this one should be. Sir, this type of examples we done many number of times actually. Many number of times. Cool. We done almost these are all things. Class we have created, constructor I have created, instance variable I have created, instance method we have created. Bus. Let's execute this example. Demo1.py. Think like my brother exactly asked this example. My brother asked this example. My brother what he asked, dear brother, create a class and think like this one is a credit card. This one is credit card pin number. I need to pass actually now, right? Now I hope you already know the pattern. EMP equals to employee. Then if a constructor having parameter, then what we need to do? We need to pass the values. First one is the Daniel, the next one is the number. You just need to call 101 actually. And what is address, sir? Can you please talk with me? Address is the Hyderabad. All right. Now emp dot display method, the very well known example. I know it to be focused more on this one actually. Okay. The very well known example. Method you can call by using object name. Method we can call by using what exactly? Object name. That's what we are doing here. We are calling the method and method we are calling by using object name. That's it. Okay. Now, first of all, this one is the example. Demo 1. 1.py. Sir, now we are proceeding with the pickling. Are you ready? Now the topic is a pickling and unpickling. This example, let's apply pickling and unpickling actually. Unpickling. Get ready. We'll do one thing. You can delete this. There are few points I need to talk with you today. What are those points, to do the pickling and unpickling, first of all, we need a file. We need a file. We can create a file by calling one predefined function. That predefined function name is called as a open. In Python programming language, there is a one function. If you call that function, if you specify some name, with that name in current directory, file will be created actually. Now, why we are creating the file now? Because we need to store object information into a then file. Sir, are you following? I need a proper response. The point will be, now with is a keyword in Python. With is what exactly? Keyword in Python, right? So damn sure interview question, let me talk about the with keyword actually. With, first of all, it is a keyword in Python. It is a keyword in Python actually. Hey Daniel, what is the advantage of this file? What is advantage, with the keyword actually? What is advantage? What is advantage, First of all, understand the scenario. Look at my face. Look at my face. I'm talking about the previously, in a olden days. What happened, one day, my manager told, do one thing, create a file. Create what exactly? File. Then open a file and write something like some company data. Open a file and write some data. Write what exactly, sir? Some data. This is the requirement. This one is what exactly, sir? Requirement. This is, so before with keyword. Before with keyword. Listen carefully. During interview, damn sure interview question, they will ask explain about with keyword actually. Explain about what exactly with keyword. Before with keyword, imagine there is a requirement. The requirement will be create a file, open a file, write some data. Sir, exactly I done my requirement. So I have written a Python program and I need to call a open function. And in that open function, I need to specify the file name. I have written some content by calling a method. Method name is the right actually. Now here is the story. But let me tell you, being a developer, if you open the file, then what we need to do, we should close the file. We should what exactly, sir? Close the file. We should close the file. Otherwise what happen, we will get memory issues. That is not a good practice, first of all. Being a developer, if you open the file, practically you need to close the file. Sir, can I get a response from you? But what exactly happened, this one is a general. This one is general. Though I done my task actually, I can just have to leave my desk, leave my what exactly desk and go to the coffee. Go to what exactly? You can't believe every time it used to happen for me also when I was in Bangalore, especially working at company. Once your task is done, what is your task actually? Open the file, write a content, that's it. And closing file, we are forgetting automatically. Being a developers, what we are doing, this one is a common mistake. What mistake, man? Common mistake. Forget to close the file. Forget to what exactly? Close the file actually. Close the file. Close the file. Then that is not a good practice. If you forget to close the file, then you will get a memory issues. You will get, why? Because file is in open mode, sir. File is in what mode actually? Open mode actually. All developers are doing this mistake actually. Then Python creator, what he done, even he done the same mistake actually one day. Then he created a with keyword. What keyword, sir? Can I tell you the advantage of with keyword actually? What is advantage, You do one thing. Open a file with keyword, by using with keyword, by using what exactly, man? By using with keyword actually, with keyword. Then write the content, write what exactly content, what content you wanted to write. No need to close the file. No need to close what exactly? File. With the keyword takes care. With the keyword will close the file automatically. Will close the file what exactly mean? Automatically. That's what you need to be understand. This is something like, have you ever visited any IT company? If you open the door, what happened? Automatically close actually. With keyword is the same thing. If you open the file,
Write what all content you want. Closing, you no need to be take care actual. With keyword takes care. I'm sure you got a clarity. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Now here what we are doing, Daniel, by using with keyword, yeah, I'm creating a file. To create a file, we need to call a function. Function name is a open. And now let me give the file name will be, I can give, yeah, yes, sir. Thank you. Siddiq, sir, thank you. There are some topics, sir. I'm sure I have unique explanation. I can tell. Let me tell you one small thing. You guys are not kids. You might have seen 100 trainers in your career. How many trainers? 100 trainers. Today, let me tell you, 100 trainers are one side actually. Tell me. Ah, I'm sorry for getting. I'm not boosting myself. There are some topics, especially technical topics. Yesterday I explained like a pickling and unpickling. I'm not sure who are attended actually. I hope you connected very quickly. Okay, we should not send source code over the network actually. I can directly tell, but I have used one example actually. All right, back to the session and make a note on this one. And Daniel, it's the right time. We need to do the pickling actually. Open taking two parameters. The first one will be name of the file. You need to specify. Daniela will give DAT. Extension you can give PKL, DAT, SCR, anything you can give actually. Now here we are aliasing actually. What we are doing, sir? Aliasing. The total, this is something like, the open function. The total information it is available in F actually. Previously one student, sir, there is one mistake in document actually. What you told, you didn't make it. This one is the red color actually. That is a keyword, right? I told very good, sir. I'm sorry for a mistake I told actually. Come on, back to the session. Let me just try to implement this very quickly with keyword. Oh, good. I will tell you. W means write into binary format. I will tell you. Come on. What is the function name, sir? Open function. Takes two parameters. How many parameters? Two parameters. Then as F1. Think like this. Now, first parameter should be file name. Second parameter should be mode, file mode actually. On what mode you are creating? What mode you are creating? File name. Anyway, let me just try to give as a Daniel dot pkl. Anything you can give. Mode. Boss, I wanted to write into binary format, WB format. What format? WB mode I'm opening. Now here is the story. Now what we need to understand is with keyword supposed to end with column symbol. As per the Python syntax, wherever a column symbol came, what is the next line? That's it. It follows automatically. Then create object for this employee. Okay, Daniel, we have created object for this employee actually. Now get ready, sir. Get ready. Look at the diagram. Program is ready. Look at the diagram. Program is ready. File also ready. Now dump this object into the file. Look at the program. Object is ready. File is ready. Now what we need to do? This object information you have to dump into what exactly inside this file. Are you with me or not, sir? How to do that one, How simple it is. Yeah, very good, sir. Let me pass the parameter. Thank you, thank you. The parameter should be name, number, address. Name should be Daniel. Anyway, here also Daniel, right? Can I give the Prasad here actually? Is it okay for you? No option if you say no also, right? 101. This one will be Hyderabad. Now object is ready. What is ready? Object is ready. Now I wanted to apply pickling. If you wanted to apply pickling, emp dot, man, simple, you need to call a function. Function name is a dump. Dump of F1 you need to pass here actually. Sir, pickling is done, sir. The good news will be, good news, pickling is done. Pickling is done actually. Whenever you are running this program, in your current directory, one file will be created. File name is a Daniel. Inside that file, the whole object information, it is kind of some encryption format. What format? Do you wanted to see that? Let's run this. Oh, sorry. Then hold on. Then dump function I need to call by using pickle, sir. I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Dump function I already told actually. Pickle dot dump you need to call it pickle dot dump function you need to call takes two parameter emp comma f1 actually. Then you have to import the pickle. Yeah, good. Import what exactly? Pickle. You guys are almost very near. See, even the file is created actually. Let's open this. Sir, look at my screen. Wow. Pickling is done. What is done? Pickling is done actually. What is the file name? Daniel dot pickle actually. Daniel dot what exactly? Pickle. I know your question. Daniel, can I open that file actually? We should not open, sir. That's why Chandramukhi movie came actually. Am I right or not, sir? Sir told don't open the door actually. Madam, what she done? Open the door. Then Chandramukhi came automatically actually. Okay, I'm sorry for kidding. Anyway, anyway, let's open the file. You can see some, you cannot understand, but still you can see some name you can see, but out of name, even kind of some Hyderabad and the next one, 101. Are you able to see anywhere else 101? Are you able to see? Nowhere you can. First of all, don't try to read actually. Oh my God. Are you trying to reading? What exactly happened, the total object information, it keep into some encryption format. What format? If I share only with this one, let me tell you, one of the value is hidden format. What format? Hidden format. What is that? What is that value actually? Yeah, kind of some number. Now this file I can share to over network. You can share to my brother. Now my brother, sir, this is the pickle. Think like there is a jar. Inside that jar, pickle is available actually. Now we need to share this to somebody actually. Those guys then load the file. They can reuse actually. Reuse in the sense, instead of this object, information would you have? They can capture the Prasad value, they can capture number, they can capture address also. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? రైట్, లెట్స్ డూ దట్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ డోంట్ ఓపెన్, వీ షుడ్ నాట్ ఓపెన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. పిక్లింగ్ ఈస్ డన్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ఇన్ చెప్పండి. యా, విచ్ ma'am, it is, I can say, intermediate binary. When I'm talking about the pure binary, ones and zeros, even I know that. But let me tell you, binary having the different formats also, not only zero and ones actually, it will be kind of some intermediate code also. If you want, you can go back. When you run the Python program, the next level will be byte code generation. Byte code generation. Your program will be converted into byte code. System cannot understand byte code actually. Then PVM will come in between actually. There are different binary. Nice question. All very good. If this file is already available, great question, sir. Let's do it actually. Let me run the program one more time. Yeah, good. Now, previously, what is the time? 6:07. Right. Override actually. Now, what is the time? 6:10. Now, look at the code. Now, I am rerunning again actually. And what exactly, sir? Rerunning again. Time will be changed. File will be override actually. Chudandi ikkada. Did you notice? Are you with me? Good. Very good. Somebody is asking question. Online team. Can I give you can give anything, but XLS is not good practice, sir. XLS is not good practice. Actually, we are good to go. Sir, pickling is done. What is done? I have a question for you. What is the dump here? Function. Function from pickle. Pickle is a predefined model. If you wanted to apply the pickling, pickle function takes two parameters, sir. Madam. First parameter is name of the object. Second parameter should be file. File. That file reference you need to provide. What you need to provide? Reference you need to provide. Yeah, sir, that's what I told. Don't read that characters actually. Rishi, sir, it came for me in Chinese characters actually. Okay. Great, sir. Maybe are you using Mac actually or what? Some different characters it will come. Very good. We are good to go. Okay, fine then. Anyway, what is the next topic? Unpickling. Sir, to do unpickling with same open. Here we need to open the file. What is the file name? Daniel.pickle. PKL. Then previously WB. What is it now? That's it. Very good. RB. RB means read into the binary format. Follow the standard as F2. As what exactly? F2. I'm sure you are clear. Here is a beautiful explanation. Get ready. Previously you done pickling. What do you mean by pickling? Storing object information into your file. Storing object information into a file. Pickling we done actually. Now here is the story. Inside this file, there is an object information. That object information is called as a EMP object information. Am I right? Inside, if you touch that file, object will respond. Who will respond? Inside this object would have a information. Would have a information. What are all? Name, number, address. Am I right? Now, sir, here is the beauty. What we need to do, What we need to do, yeah, by using pickle, you need to call a function. Function name is called as a load. What is a function? What we need to load? We need to load the file. That file, it is pointing to F2 actually. I hope you are getting. What we need to load, sir? We need to load the file. That file information, inside file, what we do have actually, the whole line we are keeping reference as the F2. That we can do actually. Something like aliasing. Something like a aliasing actually. Right. Sir, now what happened, Load function loaded the object. Load function loaded the object. Now I'm sure equals to, here you can just try to give obj. What is that? Obj. By looking at this line, you need to understand load is a predefined function. Load function takes one parameter. Load function return object. Load function return. Load function return. What object actually? Exactly, employee object. What object, sir? Employee object. I'm repeating again. Here, load function is returning employee object actually. No, very good. Employee object. What is the confirmation? That is employee object. What is the confirmation? How to check that is employee object or not actually? Okay, dir. What is that? Excellent actually. We'll do one thing. I mean to say, if I say dir of EMP, what is available? Display. Even if I say dir of obj, what should be available? That is the confirmation. That's the confirmation actually. Right? Let me show you. Print. Sir, no need to check actually. You can directly call obj.display method. What method actually? Sir, unpickling is done. Good news is unpickling is done. This is the one of the, if you really understand this example, this is really the great going actually. Wow, done. First you done pickling, then next you done unpickling. During unpickling, generally display method we should call by using employee object. What object actually? No, we are not directly using employee object. We are loading the file. Inside that file, employee object would you have? This is called as a reading object information from a file. Talk with me. Reading object information, that is called as a unpickling. That is called as a, sir, meeku ardham leda? Right. Hope you understand. Any questions, I'm happy to help you. Now, line number 23. Frankly speaking, function. Having return statement in the backend. Having, don't ask what is a return statement actually. Okay. Now, make a note on this. Sir, same thing like that, how we created an object, how we done pickling actually. Now we are going to applying this pickling and unpickling topic on machine learning object. What object actually? Machine learning object. Meeku ardham leda sir? Good. We are good to go. This is about the topic. Tell me, boss. One more time, ma'am. Come, చెప్పండి. Ah, okay, very good. Very good question, ma'am. What madam is asking is, hey Daniel, first of all, even that we are doing practically. Imagine for your brother, you have to send only what file actually? Daniel.pkl file. Then definitely there is a one small communication is required actually. What is that communication? You know, brother, I have sent pickle file. If you should be a programmer, load that pickle file by using unpickling topic. I mean, he will write only this piece of code actually. He will write only what exactly? This piece of code. Then he can get object information from the file automatically actually. That we are doing practically. Ma'am, such a valid question. Yeah, good. Even hackers know how to unpickle also. But let me tell you, as of now, I'm showcasing kind of some general example. But for this one, we can add more actually. We can add more. We can add more. What we can add more? A kind of some security purpose. You can hide the data or else you can append the more data. Best example, good question. Now, original value is 101, but I can add like this actually. Now, hacker will understand what exactly 101111. But what is the original value? Yeah, that's it. You can apply. Those are all things it will be applied by taking care by. There is a separate topic, SHA algorithms actually. SHA, SHA, SHA algorithms. Kind of some security related issues actually. Okay. Nice, valid question. That's what Supriya boss. That's what we are telling. Even if anyone knows unpickling, even that guy can unpickle the data, but we can still apply kind of some hiding techniques actually. 1 minute I can talk. 1 minute I can talk. But first of all, did you understand pickling and unpickling? Interesting, right? Can I continue? Yeah, good. Let's continue. Now here is the story. Chapani, ML steps. Can somebody talk with me? ML steps. I hope. Siddiq sir, that's what I'm telling. We are not applying those all things actually. There is an unpickling key and there is some information also we can add. These are all we can do actually. Take these are all. Now I have one small question for you. In the whole step, this one is one of the costly operation. Model equals to what is that one, sir? Linear regression. What regression? This is something like a EMP equals to employee. EMP equals to what exactly, sir? Employee actually. Right? Now ensure that what you need to understand, you know, this object information we are storing into a file. Now that activity we are doing. We already done actually. Now we are going to do that activity also. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Come on, let's do that. I have seen some query in online. What is happening? Oh, you are typing all the points, I guess, actually. Okay. Yeah, very quickly we can do. This is called as a saving the model into file. Save the model into a file actually. Save the model into what exactly? File. In machine learning, we can save the model. We can save the model into a file. Into what exactly? File. Sir, there are two ways. There are how many ways? Two ways. The first one, by using pickling and unpickling. By using pickling, that we are doing practically, and what exactly? Unpickling. And the second one will be by using joblib library. By using what exactly? Joblib actually. By using these two we are doing. I need a response from you. We are going to save the model. We are going to save the model in a file. Two ways. The first one, pickling and first one by using pickle module, sir. By using pickle module actually. The next one by using joblib module. There are two ways actually. This we are using in a real time. This you need to understand. Both you have to be aware actually. Let me tell you, this one is a complex process what we done. But joblib, Matter of one line actually. Just matter of one line. Call the function directly. No need to do hardaway with keyboard. These are all things not required actually. Okay. Fine. Then let me show you. You will get an idea. First I will explain by using what module man? Chapanda. Pickle module. Online team, I need one response. Till now, are you clear? Till now, are you clear, sir? I'm moving on. 1 minute, sir. Oh, remote. Chapandi. That's what. Best example, once you call fit method, data gains the knowledge. Data gains, I'm sorry, model gains the knowledge. When I say model object, indirectly you are trying to staving that model object information in the sense, that model knowledge into the file. That file we can use later to do the prediction actually. Okay, sir, we are doing practically just if you spare couple of minutes. The wonderings we are going to do actually. Fine, then I can just try to come here. Let's delete these two. We are good to go. Saving the model. Once model got created, then we can save the model. There are two ways, by using pickle module, by using joblib module actually. Come on, these are all steps you might already aware. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, model creation, model training, doing prediction. Am I right? Students, sir. Come on, let's do this very quickly. Let's do this very quickly. First step, importing the libraries, Daniel actually. Demo1.py. Next step, loading the data set. Very good. Next step, data preparation. How to prepare the data? Any idea? I'm sure you already know. Oh, home prices I need to capture. Yesterday I didn't share the assignment. You have to remind me today. Home prices. Now Daniel, let us do the, sir, many times I executed this example. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now I need your help actually. Any idea? Can I prepare X and Y? Is it okay for you? Let me prepare X. X should be, can somebody help me? New underscore df dot values. Then Y should be df of price. That's it actually. Dot values. Okay, we are good to go. Then the next step will be model splitting. Do we need actually? No. Why? Small data, small scale data. The next one will be model creation. Wow, get ready, man. Think like model creation. Previously, like a employee object creation. Now compare. You can easy to understand. After sir, this is dummy. Nothing is there. After training, model gains the knowledge. After training only, model having the, object having the information. That information you need to dump into the file actually, right? Model dot fit method. Can somebody help me? X comma Y. Let me confirm this object is really having knowledge or not actually. How to confirm actually? Any idea? To do the prediction. To do model dot predict of 3400. Come on, let's do this. Let's run this example. Sir, dinner time will come actually. Taking lot of time. తిన్నది కూడా అరిగిపోయి ఉంటుంది మధ్యాహ్నం మనం తిన్నది కూడా. అయ్యో సార్ ప్లీజ్, నాకంత పేషెన్సీ. Thank God we got result actually. Okay, good. Now model is ready, sir. Exactly my brother told this one actually. Create a machine learning algorithm, train the model. Do one thing. Now my brother is asking, share this model information into the file. And you can just have to share that file with me. I will do prediction in my side actual. I will do prediction in his side actually. Are you with me? Now, can you help me how to do what exactly pickling and unpickling? I need your help, sir. With open, can somebody help me, sir? File. What is the file name? Let me give as a Prasad dot pkl. Any idea what is the next one? Very good, sir. WB as F1. Can somebody help me? Can somebody help me? Okay, so this model object only, we need to dump actually pickle dot dump function we need to call first object model comma F1. That's it. Then you have to import something. What is that? I like pickles very well, sir. Mango and these are all tomato. Okay, sir. Daniel, pickling done. Daniel, what is done actually? Pickling done. Good news. The good news is pickling is done. Is done actually. Come on, let me run the example. What is the pickle file name? Prasad, get ready. Let me show you. Open coding folder. Now let me, such a quite interesting actually, this example. Yeah, ready. Now let me tell you the model object information, such a beautiful example, man. Here, this object having the knowledge, this object having what exactly that knowledge we have dump into the file. That is really very beautiful actually. If you really understand that one, I feel so happy. That is called as a pickling. That is called as a. Now what I need to do? I need to share this file to my brother. My brother will do the unpickling and he can do the prediction. He can do. Let me show you. Quite interesting. These are all, if you practice, then, yeah, good. Daniel, can you open pickle file? We should not open, but let me open. Don't try to read, sir. Oh, very good. Look at me. Come on, read everyone. Madam, read actually. From here you can start. Even I don't know, Daniel. These are all. Good. Let me tell you, model gain the knowledge. Model gain, the knowledge looks like this actually. I'm sorry for getting. మీకు అర్థం లేదా సార్? Previously, we are able to see at least Prasad value. Then what value? Hyderabad we are able to say. But we are missing 101. We are missing. But here don't try to read anything actually. Right? Blah, blah, blah. Some information. Then close this one. Next step is what is that? Unpickling. Okay. Think like this file I have shared to my brother. This file I have shared to what exactly, sir? My brother actually. Now with open and he is opening the file. If you want, you can write in a different program also. If you want, you can write in different what exactly program. Let me implement that actually. If you want, let me implement that. Here, I'm creating a folder. Folder name is a kind of some Hyderabad. Think like I have shared this file with my brother. Think like I have shared this file with my what exactly, sir? Brother actually. Very good. Now my brother having only this file. Now he need to apply unpickling. He need to apply. Are you ready? Let's implement in a separate program. Import pickle with చెప్తారా open. What he need to open? చెప్పండి సార్. prasad.pkl చెప్తారా? RB mode. What mode actually? RB mode. Then here any idea? He need to apply obj equals to pickle dot load of okay, I'm sorry, I need to keep the reference as of f2. That is still okay. Then here what we need to do? F2. Now I have a small question. Inside Prasad, what object would you have? Linear regression object. What object? Now this object should be linear regression. Object should be. Daniel, what is the confirmation? Can I confirm actually? By using that object, you can do the prediction actually. That's what you need to be understand. 3400. Such a beautiful man. Demo 2. Where I need to save? Chaptara? Yeah, very good, sir. Hyderabad. Now, You can just have to come one step back actually. You can enter into Hyderabad. Now you can run the example. Amazing, sir. Seriously amazing. Either you understand or not, I'm not sure. No model training, no model creation. The total model you kept into the file, you are giving one file to somebody, that guy is doing prediction. That guy is doing such a nice example actually. Madam, I hope you got a clarity. This is a nice question. Previously, madam asked the same question. 1 minute. Previously, madam asked the same question. You are giving only file. How he know? Yeah, exactly. If you load the file, everything is available in the file actually. Such a wondering question. Chopin. Yeah. Linear regression. No need, nothing is required. That's the beauty. No need to load the file, no model. Reduce. Reduce. Which code actually? Yeah, yeah. Do you wanted to see previous code actually? This is the code, sir. This is the code actually. After unpickling. Oh, you wanted to see the pickle file? Sure, sir. Can I open this? It won't change actually. It won't change. Can I tell you one thing? Even if I share this file with you guys, you can do the prediction. Load the file and do the prediction actually. This topic is called as a save the model object information into a file. Into a file actually. I hope you are getting clarity. Can I continue? Exactly, sir. You got my point actually. Generally, we should not share the source code to the client actually. We need to share this file. Then they need to run the program. They will get a prediction. They will get a, indirectly we are hiding everything. Model creation, model training. We are hiding everything actually. Let me tell you one small good news actually. ChatGPT is exactly like this only. ChatGPT is a saved model. ChatGPT, a kind of some pickle file actually. If you want, you can just have to open OpenAI. You can just have to check OpenAI. These are all pickle files actually. OpenAI models. Models and oh, they have changed a little. That's still okay. This one is a model name, like a pickle file name actually. O3 mini, and this one is GPT iPhone 4.5 preview actually. O3 mini. These are all model names actually. Exactly backend they applied a pickle file concept actually. What concept, sir? Pickle file. Pickle file. If you want, I will show you one small example also. If you spare with me. Yeah, exactly. They are loading the model. This is called as a, they are loading the pickle file actually. This is the pickle file. They are loading from the backend. Conclusion of the story. ChatGPT model name is the GPT-4o. That was a pickle file. Extension also not required actually. That is called as what exactly, sir? Model. They have given the syntax actually. Hope you understand. Can I get a response from you? Okay. Fine then. Yeah. You need to repickle again, mom, actually. They can apply modification, but let me tell you, here, imagine some changes are happen. Then first to apply the pickle, then go for unpickle. You have to share updated file again, actually. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Yeah, they can, ma'am. They can. Even in company level, we are doing actual. Best example, I wanted to, good question. What madam is asking is, hey Daniel, already pickle file ChatGPT is giving, OpenAI is giving ChatGPT model. Can we reuse actually? Yeah, you can take the code and you can reuse actually. That's the power of data science actually. Open source also called the same thing. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్ గో ఫర్ ది డీప్ సీక్ హోల్డ్ ఆన్ go for the deep seek. You can download the model. Now here onwards, let me tell you, AI means model, sir. AI means model. All models are trained models actually. Trained model. Go for the driverless car. What car actually? Driverless car. Inside driverless cars, lot of models actually. There is a model. Living creatures, it will be observed. There is a model. It will observe, it will focus on the road actually. There is a separate model. It will focus on the kind of some direction. There is a model. It will apply in the brakes actually. These are all lot of models actually. I hope you're getting. Yeah, tell me, sir. What is your question? You can hit and you can get the response. Same process. Even, but open, I do have my own personal account actually. These guys will apply API reference and it's a paid. They will charge you some money. They will charge you some money. In my account, I do have a dollars. These guys will, there is a pricing quotation you can see somewhere else actually. Okay. These are all things we can talk later. During generative AI, I can talk more actually. But meanwhile, did you understand today's session? Okay, good. Fine then, let me just try to continue. I just need to take this example. Now here is a one small story. Good, hold on. Online team, look at my screen. While doing unpickling, you should not update the unpickle. Otherwise, unfortunately, think like I'm at my home. So my brother sent unpickle file. My brother sent pickle file. Unfortunately, I have opened this one. Generally, you should not open. Then I got a call. Then I have picked my call and I went outside actually. Then suddenly my wife came and she bought a coffee actually. What she done, what Daniel is looking, and she deleted the total thing actually. And she have written, I kept coffee at a desk actually. Coffee at what exactly, sir? Desk. She don't know what she deleted actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Now let us do unpickling. Let us do what exactly? Unpickling. Now get to the conclusion of the story. Pickle file should not be corrupted actually. ఇక్కడ ఏం జరిగింది? పికిల్ ఫైల్ కరప్టెడ్ సార్. దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎర్రర్. యూ విల్ గెట్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ? ఎర్రర్. చూడండి, వాట్ ఎర్రర్? అన్పిక్లింగ్ ఎర్రర్. Daniel, pickle data was what exactly? Truncated actual. Quite, I can extend the topic, but not required for you, I guess, actually. What my wife have written, sir? Oh, I kept coffee at a desk actually. Ayyo, what she deleted, she don't know actually. Okay, hope you understand. Fine then. Go back here, demo on.py. The next one will be demo2.py. But when you are running demo2, ensure that in your current folder, pickle file should be available. File name should be matched. Otherwise, you will get a file not found error. When you are loading the file, file name should be matched. Otherwise, you will get a file not found error. What error, sir? File not found error. The very common error which we already know actually. Okay. What do you mean by RB? Perfect. Successfully I have done. How to apply pickling we done actually. By using pickling and unpickling, both we done. Pickling and an online team. I need one huge response from you. Are you clear till now? Are you clear till now or not, sir? My question is very simple. Thank you. I got really nice responses from everybody. By considering this, I can move on to the next topic actually. Yeah, next topic. We applied, we applied these are all. Good, very good. Separately, we are loading the file, sir. You no need to provide extension also. Whenever you're doing pickling actually, no need to provide extension also. ChatGPT is doing the same thing. They didn't provide an extension. If you want, you can provide extension also. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Hope you understand. Okay. Model underscore pickle. What I mean to say that is, sir, total real estate the model trained with the real estate data, the model gained huge knowledge. That knowledge is available inside object. That knowledge we are dumping into the file. We are dumping into. Later we are loading the file. We are checking the knowledge. This is only through practice you can understand. Only you have to do practice pickling and unpickling. But quite interesting topic. Fine, then this we are doing unpickling actually. What is the purpose of with keyword? Yeah, automatically, no need to close the file. It will be closed automatically. Something like automatic door system actually, right? Uh, that's only purpose. Not only this one, whenever you are opening any kind of some, being a developer, database connection also. Sometimes what we can do, I will tell you, I will cover the database. Sometimes we can open the database. I'm sorry. Being a developer, if you open the database, once you done your task actually, we need to close the database connection object. What object? Connection object. But we may forget actually. Due to that, the connection pooling topic, there is a connection pooling topic, memory issues you can face actually. You can use with keyword to open the database connection. Then the database connection will be closed automatically once our task is over actually. Okay. File closing, database connection closing. These are all things it will be done, sir, actually. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Automatically, it will be closed automatically. Now, fine. We are doing. I'm doing prediction with 5,000. I'm doing. Sir, let me ask you a question. First of all, predict is the method. Predict is a method from linear regression. Method from. But here we are calling the function. This function is returning linear regression object. That function is returning linear regression. That's what you need to be understand. This is more on good technical discussion. If you are really strong in Python, then only you can easy to understand. Many people are having a confusion here. If you know the return statement, actually no confusion. If you know the return statement, no confusion. Function calling, we are assigning into what exactly? Variable. That's it actually. Now by using joblib, in real time we are using this one only. In real time we are using joblib. Pickle module very rare, but pickle is the kind of some complex code you understand. Joblib is very easy. What joblib you know, sir? Joblib is another module. Same process. Copy paste actually. Look at my script. But it would be good if you use here with keyword. With keyword is a better usage actually. Joblib dot dump of model comma. This is such a really great actually. Automatically what happened, open function also not required. What is not required, sir? Joblib. Inside joblib there is a function. Function name is a dump. Provide the first parameter as a object name. Next one is the file name. Next one is a. Let's do this actually. Come on. Is it okay? Can I delete? These are all things for you. Then I should open command prompt first. I can delete this. Though we already know, I'm sorry for copy paste. Demo1.py. But you have to focus only on one line. What is that line actually? These are all steps. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, model creation, model training. You need to focus on. Here we are doing pickling. Now what is the file name? Model underscore. You can give Naresh also. That is still okay. Sir, up to you. You can give Naresh. Your grandfather name also you can give actually. What happened? Oh, did I delete a data set also? It take a lot of time to search here. Home process kada? Let's open the code. What is the pickle file name? Ayo, chappan sir. Created actual. Created. Right? Now the next step will be unpickling. What is the next step actually? Unpickling. To do the unpickling, again joblib having one function. Function name is called as the. What is that? Load. Simple. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines of code actually. Beautiful man. Seriously. You can take this piece of code. Let me write this example into the running nodes actually. We are doing pickling by using job-lib module. Yeah, load is a function having the return statement in the backend. That's what you need to assign into the variable. Here the variable is representing object name dot method name. Object name dot method name. Generally, let me tell you, this code you should not read like this actually. It means don't read left to right. Wrong way of reading actually. Whenever function is available, you have to start from here. Function having the return statement in the backend, then you need to assign into the variable. That is the best way of reading actually. Many trainers, they will start reading from here. Mj equals to joblib.load. No. Wrong way of reading actually. Function having the return statement. That's what variable came actually. Okay. Uh, yo, then here the file name is a Nourish, right? One small good news, sir. I started writing one small book actually. That book is especially how to crack interview, especially AI interview, data science, AI, Gen AI. Maybe very soon I'm going to publish actually. The same material I'm going to give you. You no need to buy. You no need to buy. I can just try to give the same actually, right? Yeah, but book is seriously around some nice. Maybe I will share one sample copy next week actually. Such a nice. Our material is, how is our material, sir? Good, right? I'm not boosting out myself. Let me tell you, I really got a nice comments from, many of my seniors, my senior data scientists actually. They told, Daniel, proceed. You are doing good job actually. Then I'm doing the same thing. Thank you. Thank you for your encouragement. Without your encouragement, it is not possible actually. Sir, how we can use with keyword along with this one actually? Sir, simple, sir. Just try to keep this one into inside with keyword actually. The whole line you just have to keep inside in with keyword. Then all right, then this one automatically, let me tell you, load function, go back. Dump function, backend it is calling the open function. That's why file is creating actually. Make a note on this. Here dump is doing two activities, creating the file and dumping into object information actually. Okay. That's still optional. With keyword is still optional. Oh, that's what. Now, can you tell me what is the topic name? Saving the model. Who can save the model by using two modules? What is the first module name? Pickle. Next one, joblib. All right then. Yo, 1:30 now. That's okay. Fine then. So let me close the session for today. I hope tomorrow no regular session. Tomorrow there is an exam, online and offline. You have to attend. Then you will get a clarity. Tomorrow no regular session. Let's keep my signature. First, let me upload the assignment. Assignment is 9.2, I guess. Then let me upload to pickling and unpickling, saving the module. These are all I need to upload. For here, data set also required. Maybe salaries data set, I guess, actually. Salary data. Not CSV file, Daniel. It would be good to upload zip file. Now the next one. Let us upload pickling and unpickling. Next one, saving the model by using pickle and unpickle. Oh, did I upload a running notes? Let me upload. Thank you. You can short let you go. Thank you for attending today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session, I request you. No, ma'am. What I will do is I will give the direct data set. I will tell you apply all group by. Simple. From our material. Yeah. One more data set that hidden. I will tomorrow I will tell actually. Uh, let us take filtering topic. I will tell you, I will give the filtering data set actually. I will tell you apply all filtering kind of some logics actually. Same thing like that. Okay. Yeah. You have to do yourself, ma'am, actually. That's what we need to prepare from our material actually. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, can you post those questions in all? I mean, directly in the Google.
Yeah, that's what I used to do, sir.
Because Saturday I will have calls.
That's okay. You can enjoy your college.
I got an idea yesterday on the topic, but today the topic is related, so I want to ask.
1 minute. Let me close this one. Online team, thank you. We done today's session.